Remember to call your mother. Oh, together, together. America and Vietnam should always work together. Ah, ah, bother. Sorry to bother you. R, charming. You have a charming smile. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call your mother. America and Vietnam should always work together. Sorry to bother you. You have a charming smile.